We got a dealer working on North Chinatown patch. The lazy bastard ain't brought any cash in days. Maybe he needs some encouragement to get off his ass and do some work, acting like a bitch. He kinda reminds me of you.
What are you trying to say?
I ain't trying to say nothing. I'm telling you to get over there and make sure this asshole starts bringing in some goddamn money.
So, Vincenzo tells me you're too chicken shit to work your patch.
Hey man, I'm no chicken shit. I've been ill as all. I'll go back to work tomorrow, maybe the day after.
Oh, I think you're gonna work today, like it or not.
Oh man, I don't feel too good. I think I might have a fever or something. Listen, man, I told Vinny already. These Sindacos are moving in. If I go back there, I'm a dead man.
Sure.
I'm telling you, man, the Sindacos are dealing.
Playing the hits only on Clips 106 with me, Cliff.
And me, Andy.
She's here to laugh at the jokes, not to suck up and try to get my job. Anyway, let's just keep the pop popping and play another song.
Can I please just say something?
Shut up, you witch. Shouldn't you be in an old folks home by now?
I'm 26.
Exactly.
I can't wait until I'm the only DJ on this station.
Available now, it's Past Master Patriot Edition.